it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and so welcome back if you're not a new girl. What it do? Today I'm super excited. Alright, we getting into these curly tresses. I'm showing you guys how I define my curls. Okay, my curls are unruly, my curls are beautiful, my curls are frizz prone, my curls are dry. Okay, my curls are really tightly coiled. So I'm going to show you guys how I define them, because for a while it was very difficult for me to define my hair. If you go back into the archives, you will see just that. It's been a long time coming, but I feel like I know a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? And I really have it kind of down pat. I'm not going to say to a T because I'm still learning, you know, tweaking a few things, but I have it to where I can rock a real cute curly defined fro. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and hop straight into this video. So first things first, my hair is super dry. Like I told y'all, she gets really dry, really frizzy very quickly. So I'm just showing y'all what it looks like before we go in and work our magic. And I'm going to show you guys what we use to do just that. So I'm focusing on moisture. So I'm going to be using this Curly Hansen Smoothie by Shea Moisture. This olive oil Eco Styler gel. Y'all know this is different for me. And also a spray bottle with hot water in it and some clips. Now it's time to section and detangle this hair. I start off with the back because that's just easy for me. Get everything in the back out the way. I do go ahead and section the first bottom section off. Girl, it's a mess in there. Like looking at this footage back, I was like, Lord have mercy, look at this hair. But we're gonna get it together. And sections are just easier for me to work with. And I find that working in smaller sections is the best for my hair because I have so much of it. It's like very dense. Working in smaller sections helps me to make sure all the product and everything gets into each strand. Now to start off anything, I need some water because my hair is very thirsty. I take my spray bottle with hot water because my hair is a bit low porosity. The hot water helps to open up the strands. That's very important for my low porosity girls. You want to have hot water in it, not warm, but hot, girl, because by the time you spray the water out of the nozzle, it's already warm, so it's not as hot as it is in the bottle. So I just take that water and I work it in as if it's a product. Water is very good for our hair. It's essential. Like your hair needs water. And as you can see, my curls are already starting to come to life, which we love. Next, I go in and detangle because we can't apply any type of gel on hair that is not detangled, because what you're going to end up with is a mess, a hot mess. So I take this Pattern Beauty paddle brush and just detangle my hair. Then I'm going in with even more water because your hair needs it, especially mine. Like my hair just needs that water. So you're going to see me spray a lot of water on my hair, but I'm spraying enough to where it's hydrating my hair, not making it soaking wet, just paying attention to how my hair feels and giving it water when it needs it. And just look at the juiciness and the plumpness of the curls already. Now it's time to moisturize because moisture is key, okay? So to go on top of that water, I'm taking this Curly Hansen Smoothie. This is one of my OG products. Girl, when I first went natural, like almost 10 years ago, I was using this Curly Hansen Smoothie faithfully. My mom actually would make me twist my hair every single night before bed with this Curly Hansen Smoothie, and she really saved my hair, to be honest. So I'm just going in with that on top of that water, just really adding that extra moisture into my hair. And girl, look at the curls. Like you can already see the difference. My hair is just really dry. That's all it is. She just needs some moisture. And I left this in real time so you guys can see just how much I work it in. I'm raking the product in and all of that. I didn't want to speed this up because I wanted you guys to get a realistic picture and view of how much time I take to carefully work products into my hair. Now it's time to define the curls. So I take my gel. I'm normally a Wetline Extreme gel girl, but I don't know why I picked this up. I picked this up, so this is what I'm using. And I just take a little bit because my hair has a bit of gel in it already. I didn't feel like I needed too much gel. Plus the curls were clumping the way they needed to clump. And I just worked that gel in just like I did the water and just like I did the curl enhancing smoothie. It's all about working the product into your hair. And even with this, I went back and worked it in a little bit more. You're gonna see how they fall. It's just still a little bit of frizz there, but you know, I took care of it on the back end. And after doing my whole head, this is what it looks like. I repeated the same steps throughout my entire head, and I made sure to use very small sections because my hair is so thick. I wanted to make sure that each strand was coated, each strand got a chance to pop, you know. And here I am just going through a few pieces at the top that were a bit frizzy. That is how I define my curls. So this is how it is looking. It looks pretty good to me, you know. It still has a bit of frizz, but I think that's just how my hair is, to be honest. It's more on the kinkier side, and then when it gets to the ends is where it really likes to curl up. There you have it, girl. This is my hair. It has started to dry. I've been sitting with it for about maybe 2 hours now. So of course it's gotten real shrunken up, but shrinkage is a good thing. Do not think it's a bad thing. Shrinkage is a good thing. As annoying as it can be, it's a sign that your hair is healthy. Your curls are curling back on up. So that's good. That is how I define my hair. I really hope you found this video informative and very helpful for you on your curl defining journey, because it's definitely a journey. All the products I use in this video, I went on ahead and linked them down below for you guys for easy access. And if there are any other things you guys want to know how to do with your curly, coily, kinky hair, just drop that down in the comments below and let me know. And I'll make sure to go ahead and help you guys along with your journeys as well. As always, I thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Drop some comments down below and subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. It's right up under this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss whenever I post a video, and hit that bell to be notified each and every time I post a new video. That's all I have you guys in this one, but as always, I will catch you all in my next video. Bye, girl.